Well, we just purchased what I think is a fantastic, very light or easy project car. And I'm actually going to take it on my first drive. We're running along at a highway speed here, and it seems to do just perfectly fine. Can give it a little gas and easily pass somebody, I think. Whew. Kickdown works. Shifts are good and responsive. Runs great. It runs like a 289 A-code 4-barrel fresh motor should run. No doubt about it. She's got the power. Okay, seems to be braking good as well, not pulling one direction or the other. Blinkers working. Horn works. I believe the headlights work. To get outside to confirm it, but I believe they're working as well. Turns super easy with power steering, as you would expect it to. This is a drive with one hand if you want to type car. Feels good. Feels like a good car with a lot of life in it. Okay, here we go. Shifts are nice. That's a nice shift. This runs good. Straight down the road, hands off the wheel. Brakes feel good. Shifts feel good, and the power definitely feels good. Motor sounds great. And it's got an old ratty exhaust system on it, so I can imagine what it would sound like with a nice fine-tuned exhaust. Really good start towards a great car right here. Okay, that's it for the test drive. We'll go through a little tech check here in a minute to see what all's working, and I think everything works. I don't believe the air's blowing cold. That would be a shocker, but it would also shock me if it couldn't be made cold real easily.